Tattooing as an art form is more mainstream than ever, but what happens to the ink after it's in your skin is shockingly under-researched. The whole concept of a tattoo is that the ink stays in place once it's in your skin, but unfortunately, it's not always so simple. According to a study published earlier this month in Scientific Reports, scientists found that tattoo ink can actually move around your body and accumulate in your lymph nodes. Researchers took tissue samples from tattooed and non-tattooed cadavers and used X-ray fluorescence and mass spectrometry to test for the presence of ink pigment particles. In each of the tattooed cadavers, ink nanoparticles from the skin were also found in the lymph nodes, while the untattooed samples were ink-free. It might be shocking for people with tattoos to learn that their ink isn't staying put, but it's actually not that surprising that tattoo ink would be showing up in the lymphatic system. When foreign matter like tattoo pigment is traumatically inserted into the body, this system's action kicks into high gear to expel the invaders. This study finally gives us an idea of where this ink ends up. Interestingly, this is the first time researchers have been able to conduct this kind of study, since it requires actual biological tissue. And since you'd have to be a real piece of shit to tattoo live animals, the tissue had to come from dead humans. A major weakness of this study is its small sample size, which means that it's far from the final word on this matter. But it does confirm that tattoo particles can travel through the body and accumulate in lymph nodes. For their next steps, the researchers want to test a wider variety of tissue samples to see just how far pigment particles can travel in the body.